In this video, we will see how to send SMS in Georgian language or in Arabic language. First, just visit our domain gulfsms.getincity.com. You can change the screen to a particular language so that it will be easy to operate. If you click on that particular language, see the complete screen will change to that language. Just log in with your credentials. Now we have entered in a control panel from where you can operate all the things. Just I will show you how to send the SMS. Click on send SMS. Here three choices are there. You can send instantly on a particular single number, or you can send bulk SMS, or you can send in group SMS. Just I will show you one by one. First we will try on a single SMS. Just enter the number. Just I will take one of the number. Now in sender, if you move the mouse on the text box, see here, please enter sender for message, max length for numeric 18 and alphanumeric 11. So if a particular company name is there, you can use that your own company name. Now from here you have to select Unicode. Unicode is especially used to send the SMS in any other language. Here you should type the message in your own language. Just change the keyboard or select the font on your particular computer or PC and type the text over here. Suppose I am having an existing text, or you can type directly also. That particular language will convert to that Unicode numbers. Along with this particular language, you can use the English text also. Okay, the character limit for English is 160 characters, and for any other language apart from English, character limit will be 70 characters. Means you can type more than 70 characters, but if it exceeds more than 70 characters, your message count will be 2. Means you will be charged for 2 SMS. Just I will click on import after typing this. So this particular Unicode will be displayed over here. Now just we have to click on send. If you want to send this particular SMS in future on particular date and time, just click on schedule. Just click on this particular box. You will have a particular date and time over here, on which time you want to deliver this message. So now at present we will send it instant. Just click on send. See over here you will get a message sent successfully. For bulk SMS, you should have one Excel file. Means in this file we will add mobile numbers on which we want to send the SMS. We should just enter all the mobile numbers, and at the time of saving just click on save as. And here you have to change the type to CSV format. This is CSV comma delimited. Just click on save, press OK, press yes, OK, finish. Just remember that particular file name. Now that file we have to select over here. First we will select Unicode. Again that box will come. Import. Now select that file, choose file. See here that .csv file, open. Enter again. Import, then click on send. On those three numbers this message will be delivered.